The STANLEY Auto-Retracting Mini Safety Cutter is a versatile tool combining a safety box cutter, pocket knife, and kitchen multi-tool. It features an auto-retractable blade for safety and easy storage. The mini size allows for convenient carrying in your pocket or kitchen drawer. The rounded blade tip reduces the risk of accidental cuts. The ceramic blade is rust-resistant and replaceable for long-lasting performance. With a built-in magnet and keyhole, it can be conveniently stored on a magnetic surface. This cutter is ideal for opening packages and performing small cutting tasks. Prioritize safety and convenience with the STANLEY Auto-Retracting Mini Safety Cutter. The STANLEY Sharpshooter Hammer Tacker is a durable tool for fast installation of various materials. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures reliability and strength. The full rubber grip absorbs shock and provides comfort during use. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, it offers peace of mind. Suitable for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it streamlines installation projects. The ergonomic design minimizes fatigue and enhances control. With its efficient performance, it simplifies stapling tasks. The STANLEY Sharpshooter Hammer Tacker is a reliable choice for hassle-free stapling. The STANLEY FATMAX Pro Stack storage system offers a versatile and customizable solution for all your storage needs. Its interlocking and stackable design allows for easy configuration. The robust interlocking latches ensure a secure connection between storage units. Formerly known as the STANLEY T-Stack range, the Pro Stack system has been expanded to meet professional tradespeople's evolving needs. It offers a wider range of options and configurations. This compatibility enhances versatility and allows for personalized storage setups. Choose the reliable and convenient STANLEY FATMAX Pro Stack storage system for all your tool organization needs. The STANLEY 2-in-1 Workbench Vise offers versatility and functionality in one compact design. With dual height capability and a 250 kilograms load capacity, it can be used as a workbench, tool stand, vise, or sawhorse. The removable bamboo panel converts the vise into a workbench with ease. Adjustable swivel pegs securely hold materials in place, while integrated grooves make sewing pipes effortless. It folds flat for easy transport and compact storage. This durable and thoughtful design is ideal for those with limited space or who frequently move their workbench. The Fubar Demolition Bar is a versatile and powerful tool designed for various demolition tasks. It features a large precision ground chisel and prying end for effective ripping, cutting, and prying. The wide beveled end includes a nail puller, while a second nail puller on the prying face provides additional leverage. Strikeable surfaces enhance cutting and prying capabilities. The overmolded bolt-on rubber grip ensures comfort and safety. Made from one-piece forged high-carbon alloy steel, this tool is durable and long-lasting. With its reliability and versatility, the Fubar Demolition Bar is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you need to pull nails, pry up floors, RIP or cut drywall, or remove trim and molding, this tool has got you covered. It delivers powerful performance and provides the leverage you need for tough demolition tasks. Invest in the Fubar Demolition Bar and tackle your demolition projects with ease and efficiency. The STANLEY FATMAX screwdriver set delivers maximum torque and prevents stripped screws with its ergonomic design and quad-lobe grip. The industry all-grade simulated diamond tip provides exceptional grip and bite, surpassing traditional screwdrivers. The set includes 2 color-coded screwdrivers for versatility and easy-to identification. Backed by a lifetime limited warranty, these screwdrivers are built to last. They are also effective in removing stripped screws with their enhanced grip and bite. Trust the STANLEY FATMAX screwdriver set for reliable performance and durability in all your screw-driving tasks. The STANLEY MAXSTEEL MultiAngle vise offers exceptional functionality for a wide range of applications. Its swivel ball design allows for precise positioning at various angles, securely locking in place. Made from cast aluminum and steel, it provides both durability and portability. Removable jaw pads protect delicate materials during clamping. The integral screw clamp ensures easy attachment to work surfaces. This versatile vise is suitable for woodworking, crafts, and electronics. It offers reliable performance for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Achieve precise results with the STANLEY MAXSTEEL multi-angle vise. Experience versatility, durability, and convenience in one tool. The STANLEY 11 3/4" FATMAX magnetic torpedo level is durable and accurate, with a decast aluminum body for demanding job site conditions. The solid block vial provides precise measurements up to 0.0005 inch per inch. The 180-degree rotating vial allows for precise angle duplication. The magnified center vial enhances visibility and readability. The level includes a pipe groove for use on rounded surfaces. Rare earth magnets offer excellent holding power for hands-free operation. Trust the STANLEY FATMAX magnetic torpedo level for precise leveling and alignment in any project. The STANLEY Stud Sensoress 100 is a reliable and convenient tool for detecting wood and metal studs and live wires behind various surface materials. With advanced technology, it accurately detects studs through up to 3/4 of material, ensuring secure mounting. It also detects live wires up to 2 deep for safety during drilling or cutting. Sequential LEDs and audible beeps provide clear readings, guiding you to the target. The ergonomic shape and soft grip buttons offer comfortable handling and extended use. The marking channel with LED helps accurately mark the surface for precise installation. Trust the STANLEY Stud Sensoress 100 for reliable stud and wire detection. The STANLEY Smart Measure Pro revolutionizes measuring and estimating project dimensions. With Bluetooth connectivity and a dedicated app, it accurately measures areas photographed on mobile devices, saving time and effort. Compatible with iOS and Android, it seamlessly integrates with smartphones and tablets. The Material Calculator/Estimator feature determines material quantities based on measured dimensions, reducing waste and saving money. File export capability allows for easy sharing and collaboration. With a 450-foot range, it's perfect for large areas and outdoor spaces. The easy locking clamp ensures stability and accuracy. The STANLEY Smart Measure Pro is a valuable tool for professionals, improving efficiency and project success. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.